Mom, are you okay? You never drop things like that?
I am fine, Tom. I just feel very tired today.
Mom looks sleepy. Mom, the toast is burning!
Oh no, I forgot again.
Whoa, your house smells like burned bread.
I worked all night cleaning and organizing things.
Then today we will help you.
Yeah, team mission!
Wait, you are late for...
Lily, stop spinning!
Please stop spinning!
Lily,
I cannot find my shoe!
this morning is already crazy.
I cannot find it!
Why does everyone look stressed?
Mom is too tired today.
You should rest after breakfast.
Look! Big puddles! This weather feels strange today.
Wait, what is on top of the car?
Hurry ahead! Fell! Dad, stop the car! Mom's bag fell! Dad, stop the car! Mom's bag fell! My important papers were inside!
I got one paper! There are more papers near the sidewalk! Under the sidewalk! Yeah, wait, where's in the car? It says, family surprise plan.
Tom, do not read that yet! Good morning, Tom. Why do you look worried?
My mom is very tired today.
Then maybe today is a good day to help her.
And what was inside that surprise plan?
What was inside that surprise plan? I only saw the title. Tom, is everything okay?
Operation Help Mom starts today. Operation Help Mom starts today.
Why do you carry cleaning gloves to school? I like being prepared.
Mom looks peaceful now.
Let her rest.
She was planning a family surprise picnic for tomorrow.
Even when she is tired?
She always thinks about us first. We clean the house first.
Yes, Captain! Yes, Captain! Jack!
This is harder than soccer practice.
Mom does this every day.
Sometimes we forget how much parents do.
Oops!
Careful, Lily. Good catch.
Hide the cleaning supplies. I know they'll clean.
Why is everyone acting strange?
We were just playing a game. Why is Jack holding a mop?
It is a sports mop.
Were you all cleaning for me?
You looked so tired this morning.
You did all this for me? Because you always help us.
And now it is our turn.
Pretty good. We found your picnic plan.
You were not supposed to see that yet.
Too late. We can still make your surprise happen today. But I did not prepare everything.
You already prepared enough.